Hi everyone, it's Abby from Feather and Fossil Interior Design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a home gym using Foyr Neo. I'm going to start by using the catalogue to search for gym equipment such as a treadmill, bike and rowing machine. I'm now going to add a mirror to the space using the resize function to make it fit on the wall. Next I'm adding some weights. I used the shortlist option on the left hand side panel to save some items I wanted to use so I could quickly add them to my design without finding them each time. In the catalogue, I'm going to search for a wall docked square to create a shelf. I'm also using some hollow wall dock squares to create bespoke open cabinets above. I'm using the guideline function to line these up and keep them uniform. I'm now adding some towels from the catalogue and using the clone tool to add multiple items. In the other area of the gym, I'm creating a yoga space. I'm going to add a yoga ball and mat holder for the catalogue. I'm then going to use a stair runner and create a bespoke yoga mat by changing the size and uploading my own texture. I want to change the light of my sign to ensure it's not too bright, so I'm using the warm light texture and adding it to my sign. I want to add some med balls, but there aren't any in the catalogue, so I'm going to use a ball and then apply a rubber texture. I'm then using the clone tool to add additional items whilst keeping the same texture properties. Next, I'm adding some art. I'm using the guidelines to make sure they are level on the wall. I'm then uploading my own texture to create a specific piece of artwork. I'm now going to render the design by going to the top right hand corner. I'm going to adjust the internal and external lighting on the left hand side panel. Then in the middle bottom of the screen, I will click Get Preview. Once I'm happy with the design, I will click Take Render. Again, bottom middle of the screen. I'm using the 4K option for the best quality. Here are the finished renders and designs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to try Foyr's 14-day free trial. Click the link in the description below. See you in the next video.